Yes, many words I can
yeah,
understand.
yeah,
I try to listen. I try
yes,
to make me
yeah,
confident. Do you know when talking with a foreigner, that it makes me so much confident to
yeah,
speaking English. In the first time, it's so worry how to make the accents,
yeah,
how to speak, and how to find the words to say.
yeah,
It's so difficult.
yeah. But you can listen to a lot of music
Uh huh.
because if there are some music you like, you listen very much, and you can take the word from the English song into your brain. It's
Thank you.
very good. And movie too. If you
Uh-huh.
look on a movie, English movie,
Uh-huh.
you have to look very and you have to think a lot, but you learn so much about that.
This day is so much. I can say it's so okay because
Yeah.
we can learn from YouTube, from
Yeah,
many platforms.
exactly. I'm just little fried. I never learned to speak Thai. I never learned.
I try to I try to think how I can teach the foreigners speak Thai.
Yeah, but Thai is so different from my country. They have no meaning. I
Mhm.
cannot get it in my head. I cannot get it in. And with Anne try to learn something, I remember this 2 seconds and it disappear again. It goes so fast.